Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This weekend we are here in Malacca for a Skyhawk nature run. I ran this race in 2020 and I really loved it. We are back here again to experience one of the most lovable run here in Malacca. So not just about the running, there's much more thing to enjoy here in Malacca. The heritage, the culture, and not to forget the food is awesome here. So let's enjoy. Hello everyone, good morning. So here we are heading for a race release. It's about 4:15 now and let's go. Let's go. Nice, morning.
Good morning.
Hey. Alright, so about 4 kilometers. Almost about. Weather is very nice. It's not rain, this is drizzling a bit. It's really cool. It's going well. Vincent, hey, how's it going? Let's go.
Well, we got a little
Here you go slow.
because my sister always come up to show off 15 lah.
Yeah, true, right?
22 leh.
Okay, see you, see you.
See you.
Alright,
Hey.
how's it going?
Okay.
Nice. Alright. That's 6.5 kilometers. It's nice. Going through a village, a bit dark in this area. Alright, it's about 8 kilometers walking through village here in Melaka. It's very quiet and peaceful, green everywhere. It's so nice. Right, this is the best part. This is nice. 13 and a half now. The streets are very, very dark. Got this torchlight. Yes, cross. 7 o'clock. And it's still dark. Morning. Right, 15 kilometers now. I missed about 7:05 with the track. It's raining, not too heavy, but just nice for the run. And another 7 kilometers. Hopefully, it will stay like this. Morning. Okay. That was checkpoint. So give this band. It's nice. That's nice. So good people just come out to cheer us up. That's great. Very nice. The good thing about this run is you get to run along the villages.
Happy to run.
Morning. And you really get to learn their culture, people, and how good they are. I really like to come and run in Malacca because people over here are very friendly. The food is nice, rich in culture, heritage, so it's really good here. Last 5 kilometers to go. Alright, so this last stretch, the 5 kilometers will be like this running on the highway. Now it's a mental game. Crazy, but it's okay. The weather is very, very nice. It's chill, cool, little drizzling. If it is hot and humid, it would have been very, very tough. So let's go slowly, keeping up a pace with 6 minutes at 11 seconds per kilometer. So far so good. Just intend to keep it under 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright. Nice. Nice. Three, no? Three. How is it? Oh, you okay?
Okay.
Hey, good.
Hey,
How are you?
good.
Very well.
Sort of. I'm
Last
finished
four
it, the last 4
kilometers.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Pour everything in.
Yep. Nice. Okay. Beautiful sunrise there. That's nice. Right, 2 hours completed. 19 kilometers. Another 3 more kilometers to go. Slow and steady. It's just 3 to go. All right.
Okay, follow the line, huh?
All right. That's the finish line. Just a few hundred meters to go. This is it. 22 kilometers. Time to dash. Hey. Rumah Melaka. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Yes. Crazy.
Alright, party people, did you guys have fun?
Nice.
Nice, very good.
Is there anyone still here? Did you guys have fun? Can you make some noise? Yo, where's that one?
Alright, that's it. 22 kilometers done. 2 hours and 20 minutes.
Congratulations, 恭喜 XS XS size
Yes.
S what size S no
That size.
okay S XS
L.
S XS
Thank you. Alright. That's the size. What would you do with this? Who came in first? Who came in first? Who came in first? Thank you so much. Good thing about this Malaysia, you get so many goodies. It's a full bag of all the goodies and all. Oh, you'll be coming as well. Alright, okay. See you on today is Sunday, right? Sunday. You guys can join us for the run if you want. Let's see how. Okay, we do our long run. Okay. Enjoy that. Okay, it's not very Nice.
Good weather.
Nice. Hey, you're here, man. How are you? Good. Woo! You did 22 as well?
Yeah.
Nice.
See you.
See you. Take care, man.
All the best. Alright.
Nice. After the run, oh, chocolate. Call it Milo. Alright. That was the run. How was it?
What's good?
Weather,
Nice weather.
Nice weather.
Good weather is good awesome
That's right.
yes
Cool. A bit scary some places, huh?
Scary.
It was quite dark.
Okay lah. Got the headlamp is fine lah. Got headlamp is okay lah. But overall it's really good.
Nice.